All right, folks, what we got here is a Genesis G90 Premium. We are going to change a cabinet filter. All right, right here, AutoZone brand STP CAF 1867P. All right, and then just like all the other cabin filters, they're always in the glove box, either below it or inside it. This one is inside. So I empty out the contents of it because this door is going to fold down. All right, see these two knobs? There's one there and one there. Okay, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to turn this to the left and it pulls out. Just got to close the door a little bit. I'm going to hold it this way. All right, push the door close a little bit, lefty loosey, and the thing pops right out. Okay, there's one here. There's one here. Let's see here. Just gonna close the door a little bit so we take the tension out of it. Okay. Then on the side, there's a little strut. Okay, that gets removed. See that little pin there sticking out? Okay. That's the way it is. I'm gonna grab this like this. I'm gonna hold the door to take the tension off it and just pull the rod out. There you go. Put that off to the side. And this door is just going to hang down. Okay, that's as far as it goes. The cabin filter is in this ribbed little cover right here. Okay, see those little two pieces there? It's a pinch. You're just going to pinch it, pull it out, and it should have a little slide that comes out of here, because I noticed there's no pinch there. All right, so let's go and pinch this. Okay, there you go. Pinch it. It's the door. And it looks like it slides. Yes, there it is. Okay, so two little tabs. They go into two little tab holes in there. And it comes out. And that is the filter. Try to remember the way this filter is, so you remember how to put the other one in, okay? And you see it's got some debris in there, and it's got some more debris in there. There it is. All right, so the airflow is from the top to the bottom. Okay, so on these filters, there's a little arrow on it and it says airflow. Just remember that the airflow is from the top to the bottom, because the airflow where it starts is where you're going to find all that debris. All right, so now let's go pull this little bugger out. It's cool. It's got the little foam things on the side here. Let's pull this one out. Let's see what else that we can find in here. Oh, yeah. Here you go. Oh my goodness. Think it's ever been changed before? Look at that. Yeah, just imagine. You got to breathe this stuff in, people. All right. So this is the way it came out. It's an original Kia one. See how the airflow is? Goes down. So that's what we're going to do with the new one. So the new one is right here. Airflow is going to go down. Okay, but I noticed that it's, for some reason, it's going to be this way. So it's going the same way. Okay, don't know why there's a flap over here, but I guess it doesn't matter which way the flap goes, as long as the airflow is down. So I'm going to put this back just the way it is. Got the 3 pieces of foam in the back, and that's the way I'm going to do here. I'm going to make the airflow in a downward position. I'm going to toss it back in here. Like that. Okay? And just like that, this one here is going to just flip up when I put the cover on. Okay, because the other one had to flap going down. Alright, so let's see if I can do this. I'm just going to sit in here. Oh, I might need my other hand there just to hold this here. That way might be good. Yeah, I'm going to hold that flat with one hand and put the other one in, okay? But the 2 tabs are going to go to the right, and then I'm going to snap it on. Let's see. There you go. There's the 2 slots that it goes into. Okay, then this is going to snap in. Just like that. Click, click. It is on. All right, so now back to this. I'm going to push in first we're gonna line up this little strut or this rod here first. Okay, let's see here. Dun. Gonna hold you here like this. This one in here. Get the little pin. There you go. So the pin is in. Now we put these little buggers on. You notice that it's just slotted like that. Okay, I'm gonna push the door closed a little bit. We're gonna stick it in and then turn it righty tighty. Okay, so let's go with this one here. Oops. All right. Camera dropped off on me. All right, so that one's in. We're gonna do this one here. Okay. Same thing. Gonna put that in there. Close the door up just a little bit so I can get in there. Righty tighty. Gonna hear it click. And you're good to go. All right. Make sure the door closes. Make sure the door opens. Another cabin filter. Well done. All right. That's it, folks. Thanks for watching. Genesis, which is just an expensive Kia. Okay. There it is. Proof is in the pudding. Thanks for watching. Ciao.